Hey everyone, this will be a quick unboxing here of the brand new Google Pixel 9a. This is going to be in the iris color. So kind of like the nice purple color here. Go ahead and get this on out. These are always in there so tightly. And there we go. Yeah, nice iris color. And yep, there it is. We'll come back to the phone in just a second here. Get through the rest of this, which is not much. You have your SIM card ejector tool, a little bit of paperwork, USB-C to USB-C. That is all that they give you. Remember when they used to give you even just the USB-C to USB-A adapter. Don't even give you that anymore. All right, get into the phone itself. Oh, that ripped terribly. There it is. It is a nice iris color, a nice purple color, kind of like a pale purple color is what I'd call it. Simple, almost completely flat. That is so cool. I really like that. I do wish the phone itself was skinnier. It's still actually a decently thick phone, but at least that is now super thin. Let's see how the camera is. So we have a speaker, USB-C, mic, SIM card slot, mic, power button, and volume rocker. And of course, camera is up there. This camera, how nice and almost flat it is, reminds me of the old Samsung Notes, like my Samsung Note here. This is even more flush than the Pixel is, but very similar to that, which is very cool. But this is also quite a bit skinnier on the Note 8. I do wish, like I said, I wish this was a bit skinnier. But it is a nice looking phone. Here in the US, this was $500, and then with my order, they gave me $100 in store credit to the Google Store. So not too bad, I guess. Cheaper than the new Apple 16e, iPhone 16e. But yeah, stay tuned. I'll be making a bunch of videos on this, doing comparisons and gameplay and Roblox and everything else, tests on it. Thank you guys for watching. Hope you have a good one. I'll see you guys next time. Goodbye.